What's up? It's day 3, June, 16th, 17th? June 17th. It's currently like 2:30. We're about to go to the beach. And yeah, we just been chilling. We woke up this morning and I made omelets and pancakes. And then we just got ready. We woke up at like, 10, 11? Something like that. But now we're about to go to the beach, and then we're going to go to the mall, and then tonight we're going to the sugar factory because I've never been, and I really want to go. So, there's somebody over there. They got coconuts on these trees. Like, this shit is real. Say hey. Hey, guys. Hey, Bob. Hey. Okay, so we're finally on the way to the beach. I'm kind of hungry, to be honest. I really don't know if I'm gonna eat some or if I'm gonna even find anywhere to get something to eat. I mean, of course there's a lot of places, but like, I don't know what I want. Straight, we're going to Ocean. Yeah, so we're finna go to Ocean Drive right now. And yeah, we're supposed to stop by the mall. I already told y'all the plan. Y'all already know the plan. At this time right now, at this period of time, I'm hungry. I need a snack. It's 2:30 and we ate at like 11, 12. I know that sounds like 2 hours, but it's really not like...
Snack would be appropriate.
Right. At this point, I'm hungry. And then and the sun is actually out, y'all. Like,
hold on, let me see what I'm talking about. Hold on. Yeah.
The sun is actually out.
I don't give a fuck about this thing.
The car's gonna hit us right now.
It's a good mixture.
But we did jaywalk, so I mean. But this is the first time we can actually feel some sun coming through the clouds. The sky's kind of cloudy, but it's not too bad. But yeah, from where we stay, Ocean Drive is like a 10-15 minute walk, probably 10. So on the way, hopefully we see something good to eat and we, scoop that up real quick. No. What's up? Say hey to the vlog.
In the world.
So update. We are still walking. We are actually on Collins Ave right now, which is a street up from Ocean. So we're gonna be there in like 2 seconds. I'm still hungry. Still ain't got nothing to eat. But yeah, at least we're almost to the beach. We can take some really, really cute pictures. I really want some pasta. I need to look up what the sugar factory has. Look at them acting a fool up there. What y'all doing back there? They're not paying attention to me. I'm trying to do this vlog, nobody's paying attention to me. And you know what? Oh my god, my lash. You know what? It's whatever. But I think we're at the beach. I see like sand and stuff. I'm sorry if I'm shaking. You know I'm walking. Y'all see me walking. Looks so pretty out here. We really had to come to the beach today because this is the first day where the sun was actually out a little bit. And then, that we had time to go to the beach. Yesterday we're kind of busy. That's why the vlog was so short yesterday. But tonight, y'all gonna get all the footage. My arm is hurting really bad. Because I already told y'all the plan. You're not trying to make me reiterate stuff. But I think we're at the beach. My arm is burning. My legs are tired. I'm trying to keep this at a good angle. Don't know what the light looks like. Not trying to shake. Tired. Need some water. I haven't had water in like, I don't know how many days since I've been home. 3 days. We're taking off our shoes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Are you ready? We're at the beach. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We're at the beach, y'all. We've been trying to get here. I had to play all the songs now because I'm on Ocean Drive and I'm at the beach. But nobody's here. Probably because it's a Monday. But you know what? Whatever. That's fine. We're here. We're the party. We bring the party. Okay? They still back there. All the way back there.
Daddy's all around me. That's all I allow.
Right. Nothing less.
Nothing less. Maybe more.
I gotta get in this water because I'm hot. So, that's what's gonna go on right now. Yeah.
Before we start doing it.
We're gonna take some fire pictures. I'll insert them out. I'll insert later. Or maybe now, you know, since when I edit, you know. But we're here. I'm so excited. Okay, bathing suit, body, summer body. Alright, okay.
Alright, let's go take the beach photos so we can look like some cool.
We're gonna take
Okay, I need
pictures.
the light. Where's the light at? Fine.
Damn, it's one light.
There's no light because there's no sun. They just now coming. We're gonna go to the water now. Vlogging.
Gang, man.
Finally happy we got to the beach.
Finally. Like, we've been here 2 days, ain't even came to the beach. What's wrong with it?
Right,
What's wrong with the weather? How about that?
right. What is wrong with the weather? How you feel? You ready?
I feel good, man.
This water cold, bro.
It is. I'm happy we finally came out here, Lauren.
It ain't my fault. It is not my fault.
Let's take pictures real fast. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh.
Y'all see me full body, full body. But we're gonna come back to y'all in a second because I'm gonna take some fine pictures on this beach. So, BRB. Do it for the vlog! Hey, do it for the vlog! Again, for the vlog! Do it for the vlog! Do it for the vlog! Hey, do it for the vlog! Do it for the vlog! Do it for the vlog! Hey! We fucking ladies, man. 2019. Huh?
I said, are we all getting in?
Yeah, we're finna get in now. Bye. Batman wanna be Gucci. It's getting cloudy.
That's what I'm saying. We need to get in the water.
How long we finna be in the water though? Cause
Shawty was trying to get caught in the rain. We need to be in somebody's restaurant.
Yeah, I know, but low key, like, we already gonna be in the water, so we already be wet.
I want to make this coffee.
I don't know. But we just finished our photo shoot. We just took so many pictures.
Big fucking photo shoot.
Right. And now we finna, I guess, play in the water before this rain comes.
All of it.
And then after that, this child wanna go to H&M.
He was so bad. So bad. He wanted to go so bad.
Period. So we gotta take the child to H&M. But then after that, we going back. We gonna go to.
He like we on video.
Say to the vlog.
Ow.
Ew. But yeah, then we're gonna go to home, shower up, and get beat down.
And we with six.
So we can go to Sugar Factory.
Now let me get in that thing.
You already know the fuck going on.
What? Nigga, what?
I'm sorry, he said let me get in.
No, he don't need to get in. I need to get in.
Yeah, we back. You know, we checking in. We at the beach. We finna get some eat. We finna ride read. We real street. Yeah.
How about I do it like
All
this?
right, let's put your stuff up so we can get in the water.
Yeah, we need to hurry up before it rains.
I want my daughter about to go. Get in the water, bro.
Let me see. What does it say?
Lonnie.
Oh. Cute. Super cute, Lonnie. Ow. Shoot. I almost dropped my phone.
Oh, shit, I forgot.
Almost dropped my phone. But yeah, so we finna get in the water. I done told you to plan 5 times. We finna get in the water. We're gonna we're gonna go to H&M, and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to the room, shower up, get beat, get bomb, and go to the sugar factory.
Sugar factory, period.
So that's the plan. You're gonna see us when we at the next phase, period. So we just got rained on, trying to leave the beach. We went in.
CVS this way?
I don't think so. I think we're farther.
That way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we just got rained on. We just went to a little shower thing to rinse our feet off. Type it in. Type it in.
We're trying to see where CVS is at.
Oh, CVS.
What we
Is
need
this
from CB?
Is it that far?
The CVS or Walgreens? No, I mean it's just down right there.
Really straight for real.
Bro, we should just cross the street and then walk down. It's not that far.
Okay. Yeah, we did the shower thing on our shoes, and then now we're finna walk to CVS and get a little umbrella real quick because we're trying to not have that incident again if it rains again because it's on and off. If it rains again, we're gonna have an umbrella. And then tonight when we go out to eat, just in case, because when we looking good, we're not trying to get rained on. So that's what we doing. After this, we finna, I guess, Uber back to the room. Oh, sorry. After this, we finna Uber back to the room and then take a shower and get ready to go eat because I'm starving. Starving. Y'all hungry? Y'all hungry? Yes. Y'all hungry? I had to, I put that Isha glue on my hair, and it's been acting up ever since I've been here. I guess because I didn't put enough lace on the glue to glue it down, but as soon as I got in the water, I almost drowned, baby. I almost drowned, because you know I'm 5'2". So it got deep all of a sudden. I went under, the wig was finna fly, okay? But you know what? That's why I got my cover up on my head, because we're not doing that. That's not what we're doing. Yeah, my little buns. But yeah, that's just not what we're doing. So there's umbrellas right here. So we're walking back to the room. We didn't even go to H&M. We're walking back to the room and it starts pouring, and we're like freaking getting drenched. Even though we got bathing suits on, but it was still cold. So we freaking was gonna call an Uber, then lined up. So now we running, bro. We running. Trying to get back to the room. And Ellis is gone, bro. Where even is Ellis?
Ellis is fucking.
Me and Milan right here in the middle.
He's aborted mission.
Ellis is way up there. You can see, there you go. Let me try to zoom in. Let's play I Spy. Where's Waldo?
Oh, I see him. He got the white shit on him.
Trying to see. You see Ellis right there with that white shirt on his head? All the way up there.
He didn't took the
I had to zoom in for that. And we back here. He is gone. Caitlin, John, and Mari is back there because Caitlin can't run. Because she's in her shoes, her feet slipping in her shoes. So, me and Milan in the middle. And we're just not even trying to get any more wet than we already are. Because we're hungry. And the freaking building is right here. Do you see that big building? This big building right here? That's right where our... Huh? Okay. That big building right there is right where our place is. So we getting close. We almost there. I'm glad the rain stopped. We was finna call an Uber, baby. Woo! Trying to hold this umbrella and record at the same time, girl. It's too much. It's too much. Where they at? They closer?
Yeah.
Alright. Woo! This is a power walk right here. We're finna go. I already told y'all 3 million times. Finna go get beat. Take a shower. Dress up nice. And we in this thing once again. But that's just a little update right quick what we going through in Miami because the sky wanna fall out and rain and stuff. my gosh. So tired. My arm is hurting holding this camera, so I'm gonna have to tell y'all goodbye for now. So we're back and we're nicely dressed and going out to dinner. Going to the sugar factory. We're almost there. We're in the Uber right now. And yeah, I'm starving. It's 7:23 and we have reservations at 7:30. So I'm starving, ready to eat, ready to get my sugar factory drink with the little bubbles and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all our outfits when we get out the car. It's starting to rain. We did not bring the umbrella.
Yeah, we screamed it up the steps too.
We don't have an umbrella.
I stopped it on exit.
We don't have the key
Never mind.
to the room. And you know what? It's okay. Because we're finna eat. Life's gonna be okay. You're not gonna worry about it. Everything's gonna be fine.
Come back.
Just negative energy. But you know what? I really don't believe that would be the worst look possible. Like somebody coming by and trying
They for so taking my shit.
just fucking look.
They for so taking my shit.
Yeah, I think we'll be straight.
You took first.
If not, somebody's got to die.
Take all my jewelry. They
Okay.
can take my jacket, other jacket.
Bye. This is outfit cam number 1. Show me something. Alright. Outfit cam number 2. Right. Outfit cam number 3. Yeah, go. Yeah. Caitlin, outfit cam number 4. Yeah, I couldn't finish all the outfit cams because, you know, we're busy, but now we're finna order and stuff. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna let y'all know what I get in a second. So I got the watermelon patch drink, and then we ordered a spinach dip. It was really good. We wasted some of the chips, but it was really good. This bomb. These little gummies are delicious. I ordered chicken Alfredo, and then what you get? She got chicken parmesan. Caitlin, what you get? I got a California burger. Ooh. It's got like avocado. Extra request bacon. Bacon. We got you. What'd you get, John? Ellis. Ellis.
All 3 of us got the shrimp Alfredo.
Basic. Alright. That's it for right now. I'm finna eat because I'm starving. Our food is here.
I'm just playing with you. It was just playing with you.
Food's here finally.
Thank you.
I'm finna grow up, so BRB.